Nandang baru takian outs pa lang iso matakan isinga pa rombo ka ko ay Messi.
Good morning to each and everyone joining this morning. It's a very cloudy days. We are happy. We are fortunate enough to wake up this morning to hear the sound of the birds.
All right.
The barking of the dogs.
Yeah.
The vibrate of the phone.
Asa nga na program na matakan ko kuto ko na mengo sa click man ko ba kasama. Ni ko na rongo di man ta sono rongo. Pa mo ta sandil de ko man ngauna. After a long time we haven't heard the sound of birds, Nandrayan pa matakan na duy manu buka.
Ngori.
Kinarongo ya rambuta mai.
The sound effects. The mituna.
Ano na mitun may sound?
Ndo mula binaka.
Ano binaka be kimni na lubeviti na buni garabita be kata-kata be kimni na kata bana sa pakara.
Ngori.
Kirbano chukana be hotel di bulang isar benua. Di sama cuma na muira ni nonton benua na mataka go mana tu sa balabu. Pagusibi na tu malolo kina tu mamanuda. Ada be hotel nandi na tiap di tangke viti embenga Pacific Haba. Gua korturanga isuva. Ada waso seloma. Okay, nabuli ko din ang tabanua, Messi.
Daun bula binaka. Mil na yadalevu, bula binaka. Thank you very much for joining this morning. Each and everyone for the livelihood. Ngole somburi sini sudimbango, bonto tiyo na singatambungo, may tabi unikisuba. Momomalo ni Mere Osemba, Osemi, Ongoreti, Onemisio, KJJ. Frankfurt, when MC Prasad, binabali usaran do patabuli mai na mataka binali kuwa. And not forget, the people from the outer Fiji.
All right.
Lucy mbula binaka. Choelitemo X Mulbinaka Kaminiboy and the squad, they are joining right now for the rally new about to the Church of Holy Cross Hinriketi from Father Kaminiboy kona masinibo nuando Mulbinaka. Thank you.
Ano binaka naimbuka nese singa veyala and mataka go and sia livelihood nga imbambamu.
Wele tutua.
Sembola na vanua.
Gori.
Otine Mary ano binaka na mataka dai sem belum naka kaki na be turang leta
ne bukan nesa
sila sinding taki wan binaka narere and mataka binaka ni ko kami ni boy ni ana binaka kemuni
temo the New South Wales sa tebita suka pangai tabi uni kay tui babalangi may nasana po orang-ora binabali tem suka tebita suka tem suad may New South Wales this morning.
Okay, sana tengo saron terusyo na mataka ni ko kiro na pangalan chiko be sila sinding taki sem bola na banua
dombula
dan chiko ko na mataka ni ko o kami ni boy maka kina betina iserai mela na isevu
masikubui mbula binaka
sabulo tumaira en mataka ndai
right.
Okay, Messi na manu okay daru tiku mantanga na manu kara sengani mbula en nonda banua
go
alright na kangaroo okay simir ponto ni roma na kangaroo
temsod do mbula bina may temsod may lismo may Sydney mbula binaka Mamboto ni ndo na kenan daw sara kenan ko do sara bitungan nalelo.
Ano ba
tayo? Rongo barubugan ningo.
Ronnie Molau.
Okay.
Right.
Kangaroo.
Let's go.
Kangaroo. The only thing comes in my mouth, in my mind, is a kukuru. Kukuru is a family of the bird, of the rube.
Of the rube.
Of the dove.
Okay. Okay. Wa madal taman ta virangone. Na irai ni kangaroo.
Kangaroo. The leg is bigger than the hand. The stomach, we all know when somebody give birth, they come out, they'll never go in.
Right.
That's unique about this animal. It's a kangaroo.
Right.
When you see the kangaroo, you see Australia. When you see the kangaroo, you see the
contest.
The contest. When you see the kangaroo, you see the wallabies. When you see the kangaroo, you see the overseas base. Because kangaroo, he kept his younger ones inside the stomach. When he ran away, he kept you. I wish I was a kangaroo. I wish.
Mo kangaroo?
Mo kangaroo.
Naloloman din ya?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Wata mo kin, terus ande man nonton na matakan ko. Abo mo tani ko susu manu mena koro o susu ko ng beka. Okay. Natabo na manu in the Messi rawa na nonredingo manaka and tukuna.
The dog.
Okay. All right.
The dog. He got a sense of love.
Yes. Man's best friend.
Man's best friend.
You
know? Dog can love you from the starting of their raising up.
Oh, okay.
Oira rin lomaniko,
Yeah.
nebakata kendua, even though you are far away from him, yes, kaya bakit nung Robin Beauty, she still knows the perfume of your body.
Ayaw
Na
sarang.
kemimbo ye kilabi na katu. Iyo.
Sakit lagi yung sitan ng bala, wala palang ni sumay.
Even though the stone you threw, he will throw the bite of you.
Oi.
Kaya makakabiri kontra nga una mo na numatiko. Na kemimbo ye siya kamanto ni Elimebwa.
Right.
Kotek tutunti na ko.
Kaya pala, kakudibiri ka, don't throw a stone at the dog.
Don't throw the stone at the dog.
But
the signal will come against you.
Kaya diba, kaya kakudibiri ka na kulin, nata pa na yato, kaya nanggalimboy na batu.
Smell.
Okay, ocha?
He is a mailer. Kaya maile na po na imboida.
Oh,
He is a mailer knows of what is going on in this planet of the global system of your body.
Oh, he can smell the mile.
He can smell. If you throw, even though he does not smell the stone, with your hands attached to the stone, he smell you from far behind.
Oh, okay. Totoo mo, tinayitutuga. Sa rota, may sono koli, ni ko do virigi ko ya. Okay, do hindi ba na puno lito kina na bautia?
Doya. There's different kind of dog. Some dog they got the heart to withstand. Some of them, as soon as you raise your hand, they are far from you.
Right.
Some of them, you're gonna search for the tail. It's lost. It's come under them.
Okay. Nabugi-bugi ya. When a dog does that, when the tail come from behind.
Afraid.
Oh, okay.
But don't ever underestimate a tail when it's coming from the dogs.
Okay.
Underneath.
Nadaba so siya daw rerba ka na kuli. Kerkerde, miss please.
Atu nanggo keleto takalaw mukun rini ko kumina kami. Ndo mula na kami no mo sindo siya mo tumani kuha. Ndo mula manakwa, ndo mula na kanawalan talababalebu, ndo mula na ka. Awa ano ito lumakawan no.
Okay. Please tell us. What do dogs afraid of?
Ulay si Ratunda is joining from Rockara this morning. Good morning to my buwa. Thank you. The only thing that the dog is afraid is a bottle of water.
Hoy!
The bottle of water. Some dogs they are afraid of stone, eh?
Yeah.
Some of the dogs they are afraid of the heights. Some of the dogs they are afraid of the figure. Lintiniase. Oh, that one is a very
number one, eh?
Corresponding. So if you know the dog is a chisa, daw de pwede muri. Please, bottle of water. Endo rin baka naway. Subi ko yan ang garayla. Come.
Okay, let's start balata na Colleen.
Gori.
What is the dog? They are lovely. Baka may talita wali mo na kanya. They are lovely. The food. They love. That one.
The dog, we all know the dog. They are different kind of dogs. Some of the dog, we feed them nicely. They don't want to eat raw. Kung nakakanabi na kaya, kung kolisusu binakay. Some of the dog, when we reach them nicely, they eat what we eat. Some of us, when we reach dog, we feed them with leftover nambenu.
Oh, okay.
But some, they eat
noodle.
Some of them they eat noodle, but you see we can count the ribs, eh?
Okay. Kibali kuli kana bakatay. Okay. Naman mo na tapos sa posisyon de Messi batik kami ni shoes mo mo na koro. Naman mo na tapos si muri na koli melokia na buinra na mali ori sanganra.
It's a different animal, different techniques of afraid.
Right.
Dog when they afraid, they underneath them, the tail underneath. It's the tail come together and join with the umbilical cord. Tarara na bido. That's where the umbilical cord and the tail connects.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's the only time the dog afraid. The cat. The cat, when you see the cat, it's afraid. You can see the hair is growing.
Right.
And the tail is on top.
Like the antenna?
Yeah, antenna. The tail and don't dake.
Wait, I don't want to rekinabushi.
The rekinabushi.
Oi.
Okay. The horse. The horse, when the horse is afraid or in anything fear of, you can see on the ears.
Oi.
The ears.
Iya.
Sleep at the back. And the remba, baka menta more than andalinga na may remba imuri. They down their ears.
Okay.
And see their mouth. Their mouth.
Yeah.
They coming.
Iya.
Yan ang ono kundor bakina na menda urere.
Iya.
Se mendo na kami dun ruak.
Okay.
Na hos is like that.
Right. Okay. Awitya. Datala naman tolo kena buina. What about the elephant?
The elephant.
Yeah.
The elephant.
Yeah.
When they afraid,
Yeah.
they squeeze them to be the size of the rat. And out of all, we add them, we subtract, we multiply. Out of all, the only thing
Yeah.
the man is afraid of is the wife.
Wait, one more question.
Yeah,
Last one. Okay, andre, meleki lala pun resa, mai mbuongo.
Ndombula.
Dia andre. Okay, last question. Why do pigs,
Yeah.
when you tickle their stomach, they lie down?
The one got
Ochots.
they digi, maka me bako ni koni.
Yeah. And lomani wangara Fiji princess, Matthew nai tui vido. Okay, the staff todo koni Fiji princess, lomani wanga. We say good morning to you. Okay.
The only time we see the pig is still when we tickle them.
Yeah, sleep at the bed.
Silly, huh?
Okay. Why? What's the reason?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The reason why the pig, when we tickle them,
Do the laughing.
when they're down there, they say that,
Yeah.
because the only time they like that
Yeah.
is because
Yeah.
they got one
Yeah. Trigger.
extra trigger,
Extra muscle, eh?
extra muscle
Yeah.
in their stomach.
Oh, you said ron sana bundo.
Yeah.
Right.
This extra muscle
Bulat sila tamana.
is for extra stomach. When you see the pig is overeaten,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
because of this extra muscle.
Oi, but nangono ko ba milaki na muscle ya ba yado?
Iyo. But don't ever.
Yeah.
Kako ba andon yo?
Yeah.
Oy, na ba ya?
Yeah.
Na mesa.
Oi.
Mesa ya mo sa pamodiri ba ya?
Yeah.
Sa so ngono sa lay tarame na malyo niya ban right?
Yeah.
Sangkay mo nga. But don't ever.
Yeah.
Don't ever.
Yeah.
Na ba iba ka tumuli.
Temptation.
But out of all, when we add them, we subtract them, we multiply. The only thing the man is afraid of
Yeah.
is the wife. Bisa po sangona, toso.
Yeah.
Toso. I don't know why we are afraid of the wife, eh?
Rauta gori, rauta.
Rauta. Tuwe malatini tiko.
Ada benak Manuel Wakilau, Peter Ross Steven. Ada benak Wilo Kungovi Tayo Mela Batakilodi. Oh sama tobola nanta mabagalolo nanta oi. Lina na ulo, re ko ngai kila ka kumbulombo santo re.
Bula re lina.
Sala te tinai ratu benak na Kortumbu District School. Oh di benak buru bitokan na matari ko ba arto na kanta rumai na mosi.
Iya.
Nakabita sa pangarta cuma yo Magi, sebentar cuma South Coast, New South Wales, Catalina, Batemans Bay, Anzina. No bucket of water. Anda mo no chikin orto na kanta orto warulin nunu ba mataka.
Nakabika?
Kala may nakabi ka ka? Arto siya macam mana matadi. Korto sa padu di bina cuma weekend.
Oh, entong bulan binawaliw.
Iya.
Isa. Karena enele kotela kemba dombula.
Isa. Lubu dia na binaka sembol na banua.
Jaya masai obi mbula binaka may oimidia.
Enia na benia, may Sacramento.
Oh. Dombula.
Isa.
So birang ko na may sinsutu na banua.
Iya, kira sa pagod binaka chiko na buni na sa nanamagyan na sing sudu. Era bita ni sing sa kote matanda na ngongo. Bayo sar may sing to kamero ale si Teresia Marama. Na boleh besar bito kan boleh main mata ke dikua. So. Di lutu Queenie ni boy. Era ngota maru tak na bito kan na mata ka dikogo. Oke le to kalau. O tamai jo ngoi kita baru ba nunu kalau. Wanan ranu wa lutu le pena mosi. Ba adu bina ko rtongu no imbuta na mata ka diko.
Oh, ro boleh bina ka.
Kato imbuta mo mata ka.
Boleh bina balanta.
Kira usah mati toke, ntar nomu like, buat kita nomu share. Sa lomu chika mai ocho chimbako subuana teboro.
Hey.
Talo chika na matangani kwa.
Dombula.
Beta bar matangani mataka maro chika na